So welcome back to the third video of Excel sheets or spreadsheets. In this video you will see how to add colors or rows in rows or columns, or you can add borders to your existing one. So I want to add border around this existing one or the upper heading of this existing one. I will simply click this border option. This will give me borders. There are colors: inner borders, horizontal borders, vertical, top border, left border, right. We can clear our borders. For example, if you want to add colors round, we want to add a border over here. After selecting this one, I will select any desired border. So this will create a bold vertical lines. If I select this will make the borders more prominent. But if I want to add some colors to this existing border, like this one, you can increase the thickness of borders as well. But first we have to select this, then we can add borders and their colors as well. So by clicking this option you can save your existing one. So now I want to fill color to this option. I will select the fill color option or theme. This will make it prominent over the like a heading. So that's all from this video. In next video we will see how to add or